expression, root x squared plus 10x plus 25 has a what? So based off our options, we can see that they're asking us to either find the maximum or the minimum value based on this information and the function that is given. So if we have a look at the specific function itself, inside here we can notice that this is some sort of parabola, and since our a value is greater than 0, that tells you that it is in fact a smiley face parabola which has a minimum value. So that is the turning point. That's your minimum value since it's smiley face parabola. So therefore, this automatically eliminates option A and D completely. So now since we know it has a minimum value, let's actually go ahead and find and determine whether it is 24, whether it is 10 using our turning point formula. So x is equals to minus b all over 2, and we'll come back to the square root itself. Just now, for now, we're just looking at the inside function. So now this would just be minus 10 all over 2 times 1. So this basically tells us that x is equals to minus 5. So now when x is equals to minus 5, so now if we take this and sub this in, so now remember the minimum value, this is determined by the y value. So at x is equals to minus 5, that holds the minimum value. So minimum value is determined of the of the y value. So we need to sub this back into the original function which we have there. Now we'll take into account the square root. And after putting that in, we should get root of 100, which is 10. That tells us that our answer is option